Good morning guys, in front of me is iPad Pro and let me show you how to set up Unity wallpaper. First of all, open the settings, then go to Wallpaper panel if you are not here and select Add New Wallpaper. And now you need to find Unity Bloom under Featured Wallpaper, and here you can select the style. Let me choose the multicolor. Then mark Add and select either Wallpaper Pair or customize your home screen if you want. But let me leave it maybe blur. Then mark Done, and that's it. As you can see from now on, this Unity wallpaper is active on both home and lock screen. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.